The 2025 Zeekr X is making waves in the EV world, offering a mix of performance, technology, and practicality wrapped in a stylish, futuristic package. Zeekr, a brand under Geely's umbrella, is pushing boundaries in the premium electric vehicle segment, and the X is proof of that ambition. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into everything that makes the 2025 Zeekr X stand out: its design, powertrain, technology, driving experience, and more. Whether you're considering buying one or just love keeping up with the latest in EV innovation, this is the video for you. Design. Exterior. First impressions matter, and the Zeekr X doesn't disappoint. It's a compact premium crossover that balances bold styling with sleek aerodynamics. At the front, the LED lighting signature immediately catches your eye. The split headlight design gives the car a futuristic appeal, with the upper DRLs acting as an aggressive accent. The lower headlights are integrated seamlessly into the bumper, enhancing the vehicle's high-tech look. The grille-less front end is typical of modern EVs, emphasizing the X's efficiency and clean energy focus. The sculpted hood and sharp creases along the body contribute to a sporty, dynamic stance. On the sides, flush door handles and frameless windows add a premium touch, while the strong character lines flow effortlessly from front to back. The short overhangs and wide stance make it look planted on the road, reinforcing its performance-oriented nature. At the rear, the full-width LED taillight bar stretches across the tailgate, creating a striking nighttime presence. The integrated spoiler and diffuser elements help with aerodynamics and add to the aggressive look. It's clear that Zeekr has put a lot of thought into making the X not only visually appealing but also aerodynamically efficient. Dimensions. Practicality. The Zeekr X sits in the compact SUV segment, measuring around 4.45 meters in length. This makes it slightly shorter than some traditional crossovers but still spacious enough for daily practicality. The wheelbase is generous, providing a roomy cabin despite the compact exterior footprint, with the front for extra storage and a well-designed rear cargo area. The Zeekr X offers good versatility. The split folding rear seats add to its practicality, allowing for increased cargo space when needed. It's a great option for city driving but still capable of handling weekend getaways. Powertrain. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance, one of the areas where Zeekr excels. The 2025 Zeekr X comes with two powertrain options, a single-motor rear-wheel drive version and a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant. The RWD model produces around 272 horsepower and delivers a 0 to 100 km/h time of about 5.8 seconds, impressive for an entry-level variant. The AWD version steps things up with a combined output of around 428 horsepower, allowing it to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds. That's sports car territory in a practical electric crossover. Power delivery is smooth, thanks to the advanced electric motors, and instant to work means rapid acceleration at any speed. The AWD model benefits from superior traction and stability, making it ideal for all weather conditions. Whether you're commuting in the city or carving through mountain roads, the Zeekr X delivers an engaging driving experience. Range. Charging. A key factor for any EV buyer is range, and the Zeekr X offers competitive numbers. The battery pack is a 69 kWh unit, providing a range of up to 440 kilometers on a full charge, depending on the variant and driving conditions. Charging is also convenient, with support for fast charging up to 150 kilowatts. This means you can go from 10% to 80% charge in around 30 minutes when using a high-powered DC fast charger. For home charging, a standard AC wall box will take around 7-8 hours for a full charge, making overnight charging an easy option. Interior technology. Step inside, and you're greeted with a premium, minimalist interior packed with cutting-edge technology. The design is clean and futuristic, with high-quality materials used throughout. Soft-touch surfaces, sustainable leather, and ambient lighting create a luxurious feel. The centerpiece of the cabin is the massive 14.6-inch floating touchscreen, which controls almost all vehicle functions. The interface is smooth and responsive, with an intuitive layout that minimizes distractions. The digital instrument cluster provides all the essential driving information, and there's even an optional head-up display for added convenience. Zeekr has taken a unique approach to the center console, offering a sliding armrest that can be adjusted for comfort. The steering wheel is sporty, featuring touch-sensitive controls and a flat-bottom design for a performance-oriented feel. One standout feature is the integrated AI assistant, which responds to voice commands and can control climate settings, navigation, and even entertainment functions. The Zeekr X also supports over-the-air software updates, ensuring that owners always have the latest features and improvements. Driving experience handling. The Zeekr X isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered for an enjoyable driving experience. The chassis is well-tuned, providing a balance between comfort and sportiness. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, enhances stability and reduces body roll during cornering. The steering is precise, offering good feedback without feeling too heavy. In city driving, the compact dimensions and responsive handling make it easy to navigate tight spaces. On the highway, the ride remains composed, with excellent noise insulation keeping the cabin quiet. Adaptive suspension is available in higher trims, further improving ride comfort and handling dynamics. The regenerative braking system is adjustable, allowing drivers to choose between a more aggressive regen mode for one-pedal driving or a coasting mode that mimics a traditional gasoline car. Safety driver assistance. Safety is a priority for Zeekr, and the X comes equipped with an extensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The vehicle is built on Geely's Sustainable Experience Architecture platform, which has been designed with crash safety in mind. The strong structural integrity and intelligent safety systems make the Zeekr X one of the safest EVs in its class. Potential competitors. The 2025 Zeekr X enters a highly competitive segment, facing off against models like the Tesla Model Y, Volvo EX30, Hyundai Ioniq 5, and BMW X1. What sets the Zeekr X apart is its unique blend of premium features, performance, and value. Unlike Tesla, which focuses on a minimalistic approach, Zeekr offers a more refined interior with high-end materials. Compared to the Volvo EX30, the Zeekr X delivers more performance while maintaining similar levels of safety and technology. Its competitive pricing also makes it an attractive alternative to luxury EVs like the BMW X1, offering similar levels of refinement at a lower cost. Pricing availability. Speaking of cost, the 2025 Zeekr X is expected to start at around $40,000 for the base RWD model, with the AWD version coming in closer to $50,000. Pricing may vary depending on region, incentives, and available trim levels. Zeekr is expanding its market presence, with plans to enter more global markets, including Europe and potentially North America. If the brand continues to grow, the Zeekr X could become a serious contender in the premium EV space. Final thoughts. The 2025 Zeekr X is a standout electric crossover that combines sharp design, strong performance, and high-end technology at a competitive price. With its spacious interior, fast charging, and impressive driving dynamics, it's a great option for those looking for a premium EV without breaking the bank. Would you consider the Zeekr X over other EVs in this segment? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews and automotive content. Stay tuned for the next episode of Auto Apex, and we'll see you on the road.